friends, welcome to Access Language School. Today we're going to have a session on OET speaking, and here the setting is a hospital, but here the people who are speaking to the nurse is a mother of a 3-month-old baby. Okay, so that is the speaking scenario. So we're going to start. Okay, so here the question is like this. You are a head nurse at the hospital. A mother of a 3-month-old baby comes to you to inquire whether she can start giving solid foods to her baby. She is also worried over the fact that her baby has lost weight significantly since the time of her birth. So this is a question, and don't forget it's a hospital ward where a patient is the mother of a 3-month-old baby speaking to the nurse. Okay, so the task 1 is that assure her that it is often natural for newborn babies to lose weight. The second task is that when she can give solid food or in what form. Task 3, inform her about the box cereals as well. So these are the 3 important tasks in this role play. Okay, so next we are moving on to the speaking session. So as you all know that the speaking time is about 10 minutes. 3 minutes for the preparation time and 5 minutes you have to speak, starting from the introduction till the conclusion. But don't forget, you have to keep 5 things in your mind. That is, you have to introduce yourself, provide assurance, reassurance, ask for the concern, very important. Then you have to conclude your speaking. Okay, so the speaking goes like this. Nurse, good morning. Let me introduce myself. My name is Annie, one of the registered nurses working in this hospital. May I know your name, please? Then the patient will reply, Mrs. Mary. Okay, then the nurse, you have to say, so what is your baby's name? Then the patient will reply, her name is Sandra. Then you have to say, a nice name. It really suits the baby. She is really as sweet as anything. Then you have to say, nurse, I wanted. Then the patient will reply like, nurse, I wanted to know when I can start giving her solid food. Then the nurse will say, well, how old is she now? Then the patient will reply, she is just 3 months old. No, it is almost 40 now, I guess. Then the nurse will say, well, you can start giving solid foods, but you will have to focus on many other things too. Do you breastfeed your baby? Then the patient will say, well, I do. Then you have to say, or the nurse have to say, how often? You have to ask them. Then the patient will say, almost daily. Never counted how many times in a day, but okay. Then you have to say, or the nurse have to say, is there any time to take care of the, anyone is there to take care of the baby? Then the patient will reply, well, my mother is here with me. She stays with me. Then the nurse will say, or you have to say, I suggest Mrs. Mary that you breastfeed your baby from time to time so that she shall not face any malnutrition problems. Then the patient will reply, nurse, there is another thing which I have noted. Her weight at the time of birth was pretty more, but now her weight is very less. Baby is losing weight. She really has lost her weight significantly since the time of her birth. Then you have to say, or the nurse have to reply, well, it is natural. Many of the babies lose weight. You do not have to worry. Often babies who are fat become thin as the day pass by. But if the mother sticks to a proper diet plan, then the baby will not be thin. Mothers all who breastfeed their children are the best. The baby gets correct food in an order. Then the patient, what is your suggestion? Is the best 3-month-old babies? The patient's question is like this. Then you have to say, or the nurse have to say, well, you don't have to worry about it. Doctor here will let you know about the same. Doctor is on her way. She will be here anytime and you can discuss. So the patient will say, oh, thanks a lot. Then you have to ask the patient that, do you have any concern? That's very important. Then the patient will say, if it is yes, you have to clear the doubts, or if it is no, then you have to move on to the conclusion. So far we have discussed regarding a child's health condition and about his feeding of foods, and I feel that you have understood what we have told till now. So you have to wait till the doctor comes, and if you have any difficulties, you can just call or just ring the buzzer. I'm at the nursing station to help you. So it was nice talking with you. I wish a very speedy recovery and have a good day. Thank you and have a nice day. So this is how we are going to end our speaking. So this is a complete setting of a speaking where the patient is a 3-month-old baby's mother and speaking to a nurse. So this is a setting. So this is how we do a speaking scenario. Okay, you have to introduce yourself, then you have to provide assurance, reassurance, then we have to ask for the concern, then you have to conclude the 5 things that you should remember always when you do your speaking. So the total timing 20 minutes. So hope all of you have understood what we have told till now. Have a nice day. Thank you.